What's up guys, Ryan here. So today I'm going to show you how to run a sale on Etsy. Now, let me just say, I really do believe it is infinitely better to, if you're selling something for $19.99, I believe it's infinitely better to run a sale and give your customers 10% off and then mark your product up by 10%. So you're still getting $19.99 than it is to sell it at $19.99. And let me show you real quick, actually, just illustrate why this is the case. If you go to Etsy.com and you shop for whatever it is, like funny Trump shirt, look at the search results. All right, first and foremost, like some of these are going to stand out more than others, and I'll show you why. So here you see like the shop reviews. This shop has 4,566 reviews and they have a 5-star average. That's huge in helping them get the sale. Other shirts, $16.95, 70 reviews, 4-star average. But what do you see here? Bestseller. So your eyes are getting drawn there because they have that bestseller indication. This other one, free shipping. All right. So again, it's just like standing out in search results. This is more than half the battle, honestly. If you get clicked from search results, that's how you succeed, honestly, on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, wherever. You need to get clicked in search results because there's plenty of options here. So you got to try to find a way to like win this battle. So what I'm going to show you how to do is what you see right here under this LGBT Liberty Guns Beer Trump shirt. So you see $19.97 is the price with 15% off. All right. So they obviously intentionally wanted to sell it for $19.97. They did the math. And they knew that if they sold their shirt for $23.50, gave people 15% off, it would come to $19.97. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And on occasion, you will see people running a sale and giving free shipping. So like right here, this no collusion shirt on the right side, they're doing 10% off and free shipping. And I'm always running experiments trying to figure out exactly what works best so I can show you guys. Currently, I am experimenting with 20% off and free shipping. And I'll get back to you with those results. I don't know if I'm going to put this content out for free or just reserve it for behind the paywall for my print on demand course. But either way, just know that I'm always working. I have almost 1,000 t-shirts up on Etsy, so I have a good sample size to experiment with. And yeah, we're always trying to push forward and get as many. We're trying to succeed, trying to get as many sales as possible. Do this the best way we can. So this is how you set up an Etsy sale. Come into your shop manager, which if you're on the normal screen, just go into the top right, click shop manager. From here on the left side, there'll be a marketing tab. So go ahead, click marketing, and then click sales and coupons. All right, so this is the sales page. And on the top right corner, you're going to hit new special offer. And you have some options: run a sale, send offers to interested shoppers, or create a coupon. So this sends, I'm going to reserve this for another video actually, but send offers to interested shoppers is smart. You can essentially target people that have favorited stuff or left it in their cart and give them coupons, or run a sale. So I'm going to hit run a sale because again, guys, our goal is to stand out in search results and get this green text that says you save X%. All right, so I'm going to leave it at percentage off. And then 10% off is the minimum. So that's probably the most commonly used one. Again, though, guys, you can offer like 50% off and then just mark your product price up. You know, it's all about like people feeling like they get a deal. But obviously, it's a little obvious when you do 50% off and then the shirt still comes to like $19.99. So maybe use like 15, 20, 25. Like I said, I'm experimenting. I'll get back to you with what works best for me. Duration. So here is another little Etsy hack, if you will. But if you set a short sale duration, so 24 hours, let's say, the 22nd to the 23rd, on occasion, let's see if we can find it. I can't go back. But what you'll see here, if it's a short sale duration, is underneath this green text, guys, you'll see sale ends in X hours. And I believe they show that if it's less than 48. So if it's less than 2 days. So... and I could be wrong there, but I know I've seen it say like 40 hours. So I think it's 48. So what I'm going to do is if we start the sale today, 6/22, end it on 6/24. Hopefully that should say, and guys, again, it's creating that sense of urgency to the buyers so that they want to buy. They know like All right, it's not enough just to favorite it and assume I'll come back later, or add to cart and come back later, because the sale's going to end soon. So if you can set a Google Calendar reminder on a daily basis and keep these sales going, then you could do it just every 24 hours. That way you get the most urgency passed along to your customers. All right, terms and conditions. If you want to create some, you can do that. I typically just say like enjoy, we have it set to 50, let's do 10. Enjoy 10% off, smiley face, and then name your sale. So weekend 10. I'm recording this video on a Saturday, so let's just call it weekend 10. You can call it whatever you want. And that's it. Then you hit continue, and you'll need to add your listings. So it doesn't automatically add everything. By the way, this is why it's really smart to categorize your products accordingly, which this is why there's a print-on-demand course, by the way. There's so many things that you will not probably do on your own initially when you set up your Etsy, but like things like knowing how to categorize your listings is huge for things like running sales, bulk managing pricing, free shipping, promos, anything like that. Different video topic, and I only have one listing on my demo account, so I'm not doing a good job illustrating that, but it is important. Then hit review and confirm. You can see here all the info, and then hit confirm and create discount. That's it. There's no sale or there's no fee associated with doing this. So there's really no reason not to be doing it. Then if you come back to your listings, guys, and then view on Etsy, you will see the discount is applied. Also, just a note, specifically this product is a Printful mug. They are pretty pricey. So, and shipping, whereas like Printful's shipping for things like t-shirts, hats, any article of clothing is super cheap. And assuming you're using Printful's dynamic shipping, like I'll often charge my customers like $5.50 for shipping, and I end up paying like $2.50 to $3 to actually ship it, and I profit the difference. With mugs, I'm pretty sure it's like flat rate, and because they're fragile. So with mugs, just be careful. You're not making those extra dollars. At least I'm not seeing the extra dollars come through when I sell mugs through Printful. Through Gearbubble, it's a little bit easier. Gearbubble has a lower product price point, and shipping's flat rate, like $4.95. So Gearbubble does edge out anyone else that I've found for selling mugs. With Printful mugs, I'm just saying, be careful. They're in a class of their own. And that's it, guys. So that's it for this video. You should be running sales on Etsy. You can run free shipping in combination, but you're really going to have to mark up your products to account for that. Mugs specifically, I would not run free shipping on, but I can do a separate video for that. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you at the next one.